time, this is eyeshadow primer. I'm using Bisham eyeshadow primer. You can use any product you prefer or you can afford, but make sure it's a good one. Bisham is very good, Julian Diamond is very good. These are the two eyeshadow primer that I know and I've tested and I can recommend. But if you have any other one that you prefer that is quite okay, you can go ahead with it. So I'm going to take a small portion of it with my fluffy brush and go ahead and lay it. This is it. When you are done, the eyeshadow we are creating is very simple eyeshadow, one single color. You understand? So when you are done, you just go ahead. Those extra harsh lines at the top of your brows, at the top of your eyeshadow primer, please make sure you blend it out. It has a way of ruining your eyeshadow and making it look very dirty. Make sure there is no harsh lines. No harsh lines. So we are blending the harsh lines at the eyeshadow primer. Reason is because if you don't blend it very well, it will ruin your eyeshadow and make it have an unclean finishes. So for you to get a clean result, you have to. This is the brush I'm using, another fluffy brush, and this is my eyeshadow palette. This is Nude by V Beauty eyeshadow palette, and it's completely matte. You're going to be creating a transition with this softer color here. This. So this is transition. I'm applying a transition. This will help me be able to blend any eyeshadow I'm going to put inside. You can choose to use any other color to do your transition, but if you want to get a very simple, classy, not too much result, something very quite nude or something quite simple, this transition color is just the best for you. Use this transition color, go around, and when you're applying, please dab. Don't zigzag the application. Dab your eyeshadow, dab, and make it a fluffy brush. And this is the first step. The second step, I'm going to be using a smaller brush or fluffy brush. I'm going to be putting in another color in here. So I'm going to be choosing this color, this one. Like I said, I want to achieve a very nude eyeshadow, and so when you get to your tone, you can put any color that you prefer, any eyeshadow color you want, but make sure you blend it very well. I'm done fixing applying my second eyeshadow, so I want to blend between the first transition color and the main color I applied. You can see the difference. So this is it. You can say apply just one single color. You can use the transition color and apply it all around the eyeshadow. It all depends on you. That's if you want the same transition color. Just apply just round your eye, all your eye, without applying an extra colors. But this is two different color. The next thing is just take powder with a fluffy brush and soften brow bone. This is brow bone, this place, so that it doesn't look very harshy. Just take small portion, not too much. And when you are doing this, please be very conscious of your brows so you don't rule the brows that you must have drawn.